Hello student and welcome to my next video. Today we will learn from Mathematics textbook for class 8 NCERT syllabus. Lesson number 4, Practical Geometry. This lesson is about how to construct quadrilaterals when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given, or when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, and when other special properties are known. So let's start with our first point, when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Let's see exercise 4.1, question number 1. The first one, construct the following quadrilateral. Quadrilateral ABCD is given and some dimensions are given. So let's draw rough quadrilateral using this data. So here I have drawn a rough quadrilateral ABCD. Now let's write down the dimensions according to the question. AB is 4.5 centimeter. So here I will write 4.5. BC, this is BC, it is 5.5 centimeter. CD, that is this, it is 4 centimeter. And AD, which is this side, it is 6 centimeter. And AC, like this, the diagonal is given, that is 7 centimeter. So here I have drawn the diagonal, it is 7 centimeter. Now roughly we got the idea of the quadrilateral. Now let's see how to construct this quadrilateral step by step. Now to draw this type of quadrilateral, let's draw the diagonal first, that is AC 7 centimeter. So here I have taken one ruler and see, let's take 7 centimeter. Let's mark and draw one line of 7 centimeter. Okay. Now after drawing the diagonal, let's draw AB and BC side. So take a compass and take a distance 4.5 centimeter in a compass and keep it on A. So here I have taken a distance of 4.5 centimeter in a compass. Now put a point on A and let's draw an arc. So here I have drawn an arc from A. So this way we have marked AB. Now take BC 5.5 centimeter in a compass and let's mark another arc. Now keep one point on C and draw an arc crossing the previous one. So here we got the point B. Now let's join AB and BC with the help of ruler. See here, it is exact 4.5 centimeter, and let's give name to this point B. So we have drawn AB, which is 4.5 centimeter, and BC, which is 5.5 centimeter. Let's measure, I will show you. See, it is exact 5.5. So this way we have completed the half triangular portion of this quadrilateral. Now let's draw AD and CD using the compass. Now let's take distance 6 centimeter in compass and keep it on A. Now let's keep the point on A and draw an arc of 6 centimeter. Now let's take distance of 4 centimeter to draw another arc. Now put the point on C and draw the arc cutting the previous one. So this way, this is the point of intersection, that is the D. Now let's join A, D and D, C. So I have joined here AD, which is 6 centimeter, and CD, which is 4 centimeter. So this way we have completed the figure A, B, C, D. This is the method when 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Let's move ahead. Okay, now let's move towards question number 2. We have to draw quadrilateral JUMP where all the dimensions are given. Using these dimensions, let's draw rough sketch. So this is the rough sketch of the quadrilateral we have drawn using the information given. So now let's start. Again, you can see there are two triangles here. So we can easily start with one triangle. So let's draw the lower part. We can take 5 centimeter or 6.5 centimeter, anything. So here I have taken 6.5 centimeter. So let's draw a line segment PU 6.5 centimeter. So here I have drawn a line segment PU 6.5 centimeter. Okay. Now take a compass and take a 5 centimeter distance in a compass. Okay. And draw arc from the P. Okay. Now take 4 centimeter distance in a compass and draw another arc from point U. Now this is the point of intersection, that is M. I will show you the rough diagram again. See here, we have drawn 6.5 centimeter, the line segment PU. Then we have taken 5 centimeter from the P and 4 centimeter from the point U. And the point of intersection is the M. Now let's join the two lines using a ruler. So this way we have completed the one portion of the quadrilateral. Now let's draw the upper triangle using the given dimension. So now from P we have to draw 4.5 centimeter arc, and from U we have to draw 3.5 centimeter arc, and their point of intersection will be the J. So this way I have drawn the arc from P and point U, and their point of intersection is our J. Now let's join JP and JU. If you can see, PJ is 4.5 centimeter perfectly. Use the sharper pencil and use the proper ruler. So this way PJ is 4.5 centimeter and JU is 3.5 centimeter. So this way give the dimension to your diagram. Now see, this is our rough sketch and this is our final product. So this way we have completed question number 2. Let's move towards question number 3. We have to draw a parallelogram MORE. Now let's use the given dimension, draw the rough sketch. So here I have drawn the rough sketch using the given data. Now the opposite sides of the parallelogram is equal. So 4.5 cent ER is 4.5 centimeter. So MO is also 4.5 centimeter. OR is 6 centimeter. So ME will be also 6 centimeter. Now let's draw the parallelogram. Now here I have drawn a diagonal EO as per the given sketch, 7.5 centimeter. Then I have taken 4.5 centimeter in the compass and drawn one arc from the point E and another arc of 6 centimeter from point O, and their point of meeting is R. Now let's draw the point M. So we have from E we have to draw an arc of 6 centimeter, and from O we have to draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Now if you notice, see, this is exact 6 centimeter EM. So let's write the dimension. So this way we have drawn a parallelogram named MORE. Let's move towards question number 4. Here we have to draw the rhombus BEST. BE is given and ET is given. Let's prepare one rough sketch. So here is the rough sketch. BE was given and ET was given. Now we know that all the sides of the rhombus are same. So all the sides are 4.5 centimeter and the diagonal is given 6 centimeter. So now let's start to draw a lower triangle and then let's draw the upper triangle. So let's draw 6 centimeter. So here I have drawn the diagonal TE 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. So now let's take a distance of 4 centimeter in the compass and let's draw the arc from T up and down and from E up and down because all the sides are same. Now let's draw from point T and let's cross the previous arc. So here the point of meeting, let's join the point of meeting. So this is our rhombus BEST. Okay. So this way we have completed exercise 4.1. Thank you for watching my video.